Assalamu alaikum students of 5th class. I hope you all are fine students. Now we will start our part number 2, which is from unit number 8 to 10, and this is also the revision of midterm syllabus and also the revision of objective, and date is 29 January. अब जो है हम अपनी यूनिट नंबर 8 यहाँ से रिवीजन स्टार्ट करेंगे. Lesson number 3. Mark these sentences true and false. Correct the false ones. The very first is more turtles are hunted and killed in Pakistan than before. False. Second, more turtles come ashore to lay their eggs than before. True. Third पे turtles eat fish. False. Fourth पे adult turtles usually lay their eggs at the bottom of the seabed. False. Fifth पे Syra collected turtle eggs and brought them back to the reserve. True. 6. When the turtles come out of their eggs, their flippers are not very strong. True. Exercise number 3. Complete the sentences with words from the text. The very one, dash caused when ships spill oil at sea. Pollution. 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 Second, dash are people who kill animals or collect eggs illegally. तो क्या आएगा? Poachers. 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 Third पे turtles lay eggs when they are dash adults. 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 Fourth, Syra marked the dash of the nest with a stick. Side. 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 Fifth पे when baby birds or turtles come out of their eggs, they dash hatch out. HATCHOUT. Out. Hatch out. Sixth पे it is safer to keep the eggs in pans than to leave them out in the dash. क्या आएगा? Wild. 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 दोबारा से पढ़ते हैं इसको दोबारा से पढ़ते हैं. दोबारा से स्टेटमेंट को पढ़ लेते हैं. It is safer to keep the eggs in pans than to leave them out in the dash. Wild. 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 Seventh पे turtles and babies dash on the ground. Crawl. 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 Eighth पे when a bird swoops down, it flies down very quickly through the air. तो यहाँ पे SWOOPS. ठीक है. Open your next page. Page number 49 of unit number 9, lesson number 3. Mark these sentences true or false and correct the false ones. The very first is Babel didn't bring back any meat because the animal ran away from him. ये false आ जाएगा. Second पे as soon as Humble went near the buffalo, it tried to attack him. True. Third पे the children had no good reasons for staying in the same place. False. Fourth पे Babel thought that His wife did no work at all. True. Fifth पे Maisie had less wheat in her cave than a year before. False. Sixth पे the birds could not fly away because they had no feathers. True. Open your next page. Page number 50. Unit number 9, lesson number 4. Match the columns. How much do you know about the earliest simple forms? Simple forms use a phrase from each box to make sentences. The very first, early farmers used small bones and strong grasses किसके साथ? To sew animal skin. Second, sewed skin together to make clothes. Sewed leaves together to make shelters. क्या आएगा? To make shelters. His stones together to light fires. Hit stones together to light fire. Used coconut fiber to make ropes. Used long animal arms to dig the ground. Used the shoulder bones of large animals to carry soil. ठीक हो गया. Go to your third exercise. What about you? Complete true sentences about yourself. The very first, I watched TV yesterday because blank में कर दें I was free. Second पे I eat dash although I eat dash although I do not like it much. तो यहाँ पे चिकन कर लें CHICKEN चिकन. थर्ड पे I sometimes played hockey although I prefer cricket. Fourth पे my sister is better at chess but I am better at football. Fifth पे I went to bed late last night so I could not get up in early morning. ओके ये आपको सारी चीज़ें जितनी भी मैंने ऑब्जेक्टिव करवाई है आपको जिस लेसन की करवाई है इसकी हमने प्रैक्टिस बहुत दफ़ा की हुई है और इवन टेस्ट भी दिए हुए हैं आपने. तो सिर्फ टैली करना है आपने, परेशानी वाली कोई बात नहीं है. ओपन योर नेक्स्ट पेज. Page number 52. Unit 10. Let's check. Unit number 10, lesson number 1. True false. यहाँ पे हमने एक्सरसाइज जो है अपनी सेकंड वो स्टार्ट करनी है. चूज द करेक्ट वर्ड टू कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस. द वेरी फर्स्ट, when the buffalo saw Humble, it dashed for him, jumped. Second, after they caught the buffalo, Humble and Babel headed dash home for A आ जाएगा इसका. थर्ड पे she asked dash my father as she knew he had been ill. After A पे आ जाएगा after. फोर्थ पे a burglar stole some money from the shop. The police are looking dash matter. तो क्या आएगा? A around. फिफ्थ पे my brother dash the most exercise in our family. C does. My brother does the most exercise in our family. Sixth पे my grandmother dash most of the cooking in her family. तो इसका आ जाएगा C did. ओके ये हमारी ऑब्जेक्टिव कंप्लीट हो गई. अब ये कुछ क्वेश्चंस देख लें अपने। ये हमारे क्वेश्चंस हैं, मैंने आपको नोट्स दिए हुए हैं और इन क्वेश्चंस के टेस्ट भी आपसे लिए हुए हैं। तो ये क्वेश्चन जो हैं, ये जो नोट्स दिए हैं आपको, इन पे जितने भी क्वेश्चन हैं सिर्फ अपने पेपर के लिए यही देखने हैं आपने, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जो कि एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 का है, आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन। टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चन है जो कि यूनिट नंबर 3 लेसन नंबर 1 का है। इसमें व्हाट डिड इमरान बाय एंड व्हाट इज ही गोइंग टू डू व्हाट इट। ही बॉट अ joystick, he is going to exchange it. Unit number 4 lesson number 3 textual question, what is ice cream made of? Answer, ice cream is made of milk, cream, fruit or other flavors like coffee and or chocolate. Second, what different kinds of flavors do they use? They use chopped fruit or syrup. Third पे, which do you do first? add the sugar or heat the cream? तो क्या आएगा? heat the cream. Fourth पे, how do you make the syrup? Answer, we make it by mixing sugar and water. Fifth पे, why do the puddle stir है, ठीक है, puddle stir the mixture all the time. To put air into the mixture to keep it light and medium soft. Unit number 8 lesson number 1 textual question, why is Saira organizing fundraiser? She is organizing a fundraiser to collect money for the turtle conservation project. Question number 1, who is giving a talk? What about? Saira is giving a talk about turtles. Second, who needs money? The turtles conservation project needs money. Third, who is going to collect money? Some money. How? Saira is going to organize a fundraiser. Mom and grandma are going to make some cakes for the cake. बेटा यहाँ पे स्टॉल करें, ठीक है, केक को काट दें, यहाँ पे स्टॉल कर लें और मज़ीद इसको मैं कंफर्म करके आपको बता दूंगी। इसको दोबारा से रीड कर लें। सायरा इज़ गोइंग टू ऑर्गेनाइज अ फंड रेजर, mom and grandmother are going to make some cakes for the stall. Okay, you have to revise all the exercises with your keen attention. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।